Going to show you how can we implement this scrolling announcement bar in our Shopify store. Let's get started. First of all, here you can see I am in my theme editor. From here I am clicking on three dots, click on it, and then edit code, click on edit code. Then click on here, click on sections and click on add new file, click on it, and I'm going to name our file is custom announcement dot liquid. Be careful, don't touch any other sections or any other code. Okay, then copy this code, paste here, and then save. In this video description, from there you can get the code. You will have to copy the link of my Google Drive, then paste the link any browser tab. After that, download this file, that means text file, open it and copy the code. Okay. Here you can see our announcement bar has been added and it's working fine. If you want to change the text, you can change the text from here. You can change the background color and text color also. Scrolling speed you may also control. If I increase the speed, it becomes slow. If I decrease the speed, it become it becomes faster. Okay, you can see it becomes fast. In this way you can add an announcement bar in your Shopify store. You can place it over the menu. Okay, place it over here and then save. If I refresh the my preview website, you can see the announcement bar. Okay, we can also check it in responsive mode. Okay, I am checking on iPhone 12 Pro. Here you can see, make it 100%. Here you can see it's working fine. In this way you can implement this custom scrolling announcement bar in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.